Altec Lansing, one of the best names in the music industry. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing one of the very good equipment from Altec Lansing, which is called as Mini H2O. This is the Bluetooth speaker. Hey friends, hi there, this is Inam and welcome back to my channel, The Magazine. Let's just go ahead and start this. Well, as you can see, it comes in this carry case. It mentions Mini H2O rugged Bluetooth speaker. Well, definitely when you take a look, it's really very rugged. It comes with IP67 certification, so definitely which is waterproof, sandproof, everything proof, and also this is dust proof and snowproof as well. This floats in water. It mentioned the battery 6 hours, but let me tell you that the battery is much more than 10 hours, which you get on one single charge. The good thing here is that this is hands-free speakerphone, which means you can listen to your audience and at the same time you can speak as well. So this is something good. Some of the key features here on this particular product, and let's just go ahead and see the other side of the box. Very good sturdy box which you get in here. Let's see now the flip side of the box. Some of the things which I mentioned, it just mentions that it is waterproof, shockproof, everything proof. I find it very funny when they say everything proof. This is definitely very portable, and the sound clarity which you really get is awesome. Now this is registered in New Jersey, and I believe the speaker is more than 10 watts here, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, let's just go ahead and see what all does it have. Now this is the main product here which I have with me here. This is the Altec Lansing Mini H2O Bluetooth speaker. You can see this looks very cute, They've got the Altec Lansing branding here, and this is what they have on the top. Simple design. This is the power on off button. This is the volume low and volume up here. Let's see on the flip side. It just says Altec Lansing. Again, on the sides, nothing. Here on the side, this is carbiner clip which you can use to hang. Let me open this small cover which you see here, and once you open this, you can see there are like two ports. Let me show this. The one port here is for charging and the other one is for aux in. And this model is called as H2O because this really can float on water. I never have tried it myself, but the company claims that this can also produce sounds even if it's submerged in water. So let me just go ahead now, just connect it to my phone. Let me just put this on. The operation is kind of very simple. You just have to
powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
That's the dialect which you get, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open my Bluetooth of one phone here. Let me just go ahead and put the Bluetooth on. I have put the Bluetooth on and it says Mini H2O speaker connected. Let me just open the YouTube, and let me tell you that this can really get very loud. Let me just open anything here. Let me just open any kind of song, and then you can see how loud it can get. That was a small demo just to make sure that you understand that what kind of music is this and how loud can it get. I can't really play the entire song because of just to avoid the copyright thing, but just know that this is a very great quality here indeed. And if you just just hold it on the hand, you can really see the thump and the bass, how well it can just get. If the Bluetooth is connected, it will just flash the blue light on as this could be with any of the Bluetooth devices. You heard the sound level. The sound level is kind of very high, and it really produces some great quality music as well. You really do not really feel the need of having like big speakers. This really small device does it all. And I think that's about it in this video here. Do let me know if you like the video, and if yes, please do go ahead and just give me a thumbs up on this one. And you haven't really subscribed to my channel, just please go ahead and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can keep getting the next videos when I upload them. For now, thanks so much for watching, and I'll get back with some more interesting videos for you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.